Hey guys, welcome back. Should be right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Radbbie, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Radha. Make sure that you thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss the video that I post. For today's video, I'm going to do what's in my bag. I think this is going to be a fun video to film, and I'm so happy to share what's in my bag, and I think you guys are going to like it. Let's get started, shall we? So this is how my bags looks like. This is the large Longchamp in black color. I think black is very classic and can match with every occasion, so that's why I pick black color. I'm always thinking about what I'm going to use most, and I decided to purchase this because I know that I'm going to use this a lot. I go to school most of the time. This is pretty fit with everything, and I love this totally. So this Longchamp bag is very durable and it is very functional. You can put a lot of stuff in here, especially I got the large size. I have plenty of room here. I really like it. I love the way how it looks. This is so cute. I really like it. I'm so happy that I purchased this. This bag is just the right answer what I need. And yeah, let's see what inside. The bag has its own zip like this. I really like how they have the zip because it has very good security, and they is also have the strap like this. I think this make it more nice. I will grab whatever I found first. The first thing that I got is very huge. This is the file holder. I don't know why I keep carrying this, but yeah, this is the huge folder that I really like. I like to put everything in here. What I have next is my iPhone. This is my 11 Max Pro iPhone. If you haven't watched my iPhone SE unboxing, and that is the reason why I got this iPhone 11 Max Pro from Radbbie, because he used the iPhone SE right now and he gave this to me. I really like it, and I'm so happy to have this. Front camera is very good. It's always with me all the time. I also have my Airpod. It's connected to all of the Apple device, which is great. I really like it. I found out this one is very convenient. It's a lot better than the cable one, and I really like it. Next thing that I have in my bag is this Macbook. This is my 12 inches Macbook in space gray color. This is such a nice color. It's very cute. It is so thin. If you guys can see, this is super thin, and it's very light as well. This is why I really like to bring this to my school, because it's not heavy at all. I have the important purse which I go everywhere with. I cannot go without this. This is very important. I carry card, cash, and coins right here, and I feel like this is very convenient. It's very small. Look at this. This I got it from Coach. Actually, I got it's very good price. I really like it. I enjoy carrying just this small purse. It's very convenient. I go shopping, I go to grocery, I just bring this and carrying it like this, and perfect. Next thing that I have is this little two masks. Very cute. Both are in the blue color. I got this from my friends like a couple days ago. She sold the mask, and I don't know how to make the mask, so here we go. I just bought it from her, and this is such a cute things ever. So the next thing that I have is my glasses. Some of you guys might not know that I always wear the glasses all the time, like especially when I am home, and especially when I go to school and study, you know. So I always wear this, and I'm going to wear it for you guys. I don't know if it looks good on me or not, but I'm so awkward when I wear this in front of the camera, especially showing to you guys. So you guys probably don't really see me wearing these glasses like in front of the camera, but it's okay. You guys know that I'm wearing anyways. So I got this pretty good deal from Costco, and I think that is the best deal ever from Ray-Ban. And I'm so obsessed about this because this very good quality. I love this. Next thing that I have is this, my car kit. I go everywhere right now, especially in the grocery store. The next thing that I have is my makeup bag. I don't know why I always carry makeup bag. I just feel safe whenever I carry this. If you guys feel the same, just comment in down below because I feel so safe when I have the makeup bag. I have the blush on, lip balm. I have a lot of difference of color of lipstick. The perfume, this is from Sarah, small. Next stuff that I have in my bag is this. You guys never know when your period is gonna come. This is just good for the go. And yeah, I just have this just in case that when my periods come, I don't have to borrow someone or I don't have to be worried about myself. Next thing that I have is my pencil bag. I always carry pencil bag with me. As you guys know, I am a student. I always have a lot of things to write down, and I am just being safe to have my pencil, pen. Next thing that I have is my locker key, just in case when I go to the gym and I want to use my own locker key, I can use this. I have the chopstick. I don't know how can I find chopstick in my bag. I assume that I stole this from my school. Especially frog, spoon, and chopstick, you know. So yeah, I always have my chopstick here. Whenever I want to eat something, I can just grab from here, so I don't have to find. Sometimes I cannot find it, and you know, in my school you have to pay for the fork and spoon for 5 cents, and I don't want to pay 5 cents. So whenever I get something from the school cafeteria, I just grab more than one. So that is why it's always here. I have a little snack. This is the dried banana. This is the Thai snack, but you guys probably know it. This is very simple, and yeah, this is so good and it's very healthy. So that's why I always keep this in my bag just in case I feel hungry, and especially I go to school, I always have some snack with me in my bag. I don't know why I always feel hungry, so I think this helps a lot to get your stomach calm a little bit. So that's just the things. So the next thing that I have, this is the inhaler. I'm not sure if I pronounce this right or not, but I don't know if I'm addicted, but as you can tell, I almost use them all just by smelling. I don't know why I feel so good and feel so fresh after I smell this. Yeah, this is what I really like to do every day, every morning, every night before I go to sleep all the time. So the next thing is last but not least, I have an iPhone charger. This is the important thing that you should have in your bag. I think you guys probably have this in your bags as well. The last thing that I have is a hand gel. I know this is very important right now, especially in this situation, in the COVID-19. I just always use this whenever I go somewhere or whenever I come home, and I just use it just to kill the bacteria. This is all what I have in my bag. Please let me know which video you want me to do, and I'm so happy to do it for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.